Hello, good morning, everyone. Measures of dispersion, chapter number 4, in which today we are going to see ST and CV for discrete type of frequency distribution. Last time we have covered player A, player B. Same way, here information about two teams in football season in our textbook on page number 168, exercise number 4. Section E, example number 5. Section E, example number 5. Right? From the data given below, state which team is more consistent, more uniform, more homogeneous, or more reliable. Means you have to take the textbook with you. You must have textbook. See the example, see the question given. Then solution for team A and team B. C for the team A. X means number of the goals, F means frequency, number of the matches. Goal scored by the team, goal in football season 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 5 goals. And number of the matches, 0 goal in 15 number of the matches, only 1 goal in 10 number of the matches, 2 goals in 7 number of the matches, and so on. Make the frequency total, and n equal to 42. See. Then take the deviation d equal to x minus a, capital A equal to 1. Assume any one value from x, assume 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. 4 minus 1, 3. 5 minus 1, 4, etc. Then multiplication f and d, f with d. Frequency should be multiplied with d. 15 into minus 1, minus 15, 0 multiplied by any number, 0, 7 into 1, 7, 5 2s are 10, 3 3s are 9, 2 4s are 8. Now in the table last column, fd square. Try to understand f into d square, this type of calculation. F multiplied by d square, square of d only and not the whole square. This way not we have done, means fd multiplied by d. In order to calculate this one, fd should be multiplied again with d. Minus 15 multiplied by minus 1, minus plus. 7 multiplied by 1, 10 into 2, 9 3s are 27, 8 4s are. This way complete the table and make the total of frequency. See, fd f into d square, not fd whole square, right? Fd total 90, fd square 101. After completing this, calculate mean, calculate st, calculate arithmetic mean, and calculate standard deviation. Mean is given by a plus sigma fd upon n means 42, 19 upon 42, the division is 145. Ultimately, arithmetic mean x bar 1.45. Standard deviation for team A is given by s equal to square root of sigma f into d square upon n minus sigma fd upon n, complete square, whole square, right? Now 101 upon 42, 19 upon 42, whole square. Simplification will give you answer is 2.4047 minus 0.2025. Take out the square root, therefore standard deviation s equal to 1.48 approximately. This is what about calculation for team A. The similar calculation, the same way we have to compute for team B. See the calculation for team B. X, number of the goal, F, frequency, number of the matches, D, X minus A, F and D, multiplication, F into D, F into D square. Assume A equal to 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 2 minus 1, 1, 3 minus 1, 2, 4 minus 1, 3, 5 minus 1. Frequency total, and 42, 20 into minus 1, minus 20, 10 into 0, 5 to 1, 4 to 8, 2 3 6, 4 into 1, 4. Right? F into d square. FD multiplied by d. Minus 20 multiplied by minus 1 means 20. 5 multiplied by 1. 5. 8 2s are 16. 6 3s are 18. 4 4s are 16. Complete this table and make the total of F frequency, F into D, F into D square. Same way we calculate arithmetic mean and standard deviation for team B. Mean is given by A plus sigma FD upon N means 3 upon 42. A is equal to 1. 3 by 42 answer is 0.07. X bar is 1.07. Also, the standard deviation S means sigma F into D square upon N minus sigma FD upon N whole square 75 upon 42. Barabar? 3 by 42 whole square. Take the division and then make the square. Take the division and then make the square. Ultimately, by taking simplification, calculation S equal to 1.33 approximately. See, this is the important measure. Measure of dispersion, range, QD, MD and SD. Standard deviation is one of the most important measure of dispersion, and with the help of SD and CV, one can compare 2 or more series. The series for which CV is less, the series for which CV is less is said to be more consistent or more homogeneous or more reliable. Calculation of CV. Calculation of CV means coefficient of variation. CV for team A and CV for team B. CV means coefficient of variation, always measured in terms of percentage. S upon X bar, standard deviation upon arithmetic mean, multiplied by 100, always in percentage. Substitute the value for team A, SD is 1.48, arithmetic mean is 1.45. Simplification will give you answer as 102.07%. Answer number 1. CV for team A. Same way, CV for team B. S upon X bar into 100 means 133 upon 1.07. Answer will be 124.3%. Answer number 2. CV for team B. From result number 1 and 2, we can say that CV of A is less than CV of B, obviously. Barabar? CV of A is less than CV of B, this is less than sign. Therefore, we can say that we conclude that team A is more homogeneous, more consistent, more reliable, more uniform, or whatever you want. Right? Try to understand this calculation. See the textbook, see the example, see the question, and how to make the calculation and presentation of the answer is also one of the important things. This example can be asked in section E or section F, means 4 marks or 5 marks. And therefore, this is one of the important method. Since last lecture, we have taken SD and CV. From last lecture, we have taken standard deviation, CV for ungrouped data. This is discrete type of series. And in the next lecture, we are going to see continuous type of frequency distribution. We practice very well. Thank you everyone. Thank you everybody.